guys, so in this video we're going to talk about fuzzing XSS. So first what you have to do is you have to start Burp Suite in order to intercept the requests and then send the intercepted data to the intruder over here. So basically we can have many input based vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, file path traversal, which can be detected by submitting various test strings in the request parameters and analyzing the applicant responses for any error messages or other abnormalities. So first what we have to do is let's go to this DVWA, which is damn vulnerable web application. I'm clicking on XSS stored over here. Then we can just input some parameters. So what I'm gonna input my name here, Prav, and I'm gonna input a message, hello, sign the guest book. Now you can see that it has come here. So now we will go to the HTTP history under proxy on my Burp Suite. You can go there, scroll to the bottom, and then you can see it has come as the post. So now we can see this here. So now we will send this. Oh, now you can see it says Prav and hello. Now you can send this to the intruder. Come in the intruder. Now click on position, and you can see these are where we can insert the payload. So we'll clear this. So now we want to insert the payload only at the message place. So you highlight this, you add the field, then now it's done. Now the attack type, now we're only using one, so we can use a sniper because there's only one payload. Then now we click on payload. Now payload set is 1 because we only have one. Then payload type, you put a simple list. You can load a payload. Now if you have the Burp Suite Pro tool, you don't need to get it externally from the internet or anything like that, but I don't. I have the community edition, so I'll be clicking this one that I downloaded off the internet. Then you open it. So now the payload has been inserted here. So now I can go back to position and I can start my attack. Community edition contains a demo version, so this still works. So you put OK. Now here we are attacking. So just wait for this to completely load, and then you can see, now you can actually see the different entries being created here with each and everything. You can see the length is different for each and every one. So just wait until this completely loads, and then you can even click on each one and you can see what message you're getting and how it's working. So you can go to response, render, you can see how it looks on the website. So now you can see it's different from how it looks here. So every single one is being recorded and it's looking very different from how the first one was. Wait, I'll show you the first one. This is like there's nothing here, no input, like just Prav and hello. So you can see it's like that. So now it has been finished. Now you can look at all the different kind of lengths. You can go all the way down. You can see it's different. Go to the one with the most, and then you can see how the different attacks are being performed. Now you just go back to your site, reload the page, resend, and then you can see you're getting a lot of intercepted requests. So now you can click OK, OK, OK. So now I'm not doing anything. I'm just clicking the next, but these notifications keep popping up. So this is how you do the fuzzing test. It's completed and the application has a bug which leads to an XSS vulnerabilities. We can see that. And then these are, we also saw the XSS alert prompts that we just got. So that's how you do it.